in her face. The mirror of your dreams.
Hello, it's me, Sasha, and today, I bet you're wondering how we got here. Well, let me show you and take you on this journey with me. This is my room so far. No, definitely. First of all, is this mine? Period, you know?
The Dove bar soap will never let me down. Like, it really... Acupuncture!
She suggested that I do the case of crystal.
Coolest part of that video.
Okay, but were you impressed when they started speaking English?
So I'm gonna be putting these on my ceiling. Hopefully they pop. They look cool at least. And go dead.
I put the little sleeves in there, but
Out with the old. In with the new. Right, Dad? Hello, it's another day, and I just bought these from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna organize like my school stuff up there with these. And this is the top. You think your light bulb was your click? I didn't care. I'm just showing the people that you know how to hang stuff up. If you hang it up. My dad built it. I actually painted it myself. Now I'm just adding the clear coat on top so it can be all nice and finished. I hung these. I'm still not done. Then this is my dream board that I made up. You know, I definitely need to stay on it. And I put this down here so I can put my folders from school stuff and my iPad in there. And then I have this table instead of the other thing that I built in the beginning. I also have a different bed set because, you know, I just love cheetah print, so I was all about this. This is my diffuser. I have my calendar just to keep me on track. Pretty drippy. How did you like it? What do you think of my room? Do you like it? I hope you enjoyed the video, and honestly, if you've been thinking about it, redecorate your room, reorganize it, change it up, switch the flavor. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, go ahead, subscribe. I know you're not, so just do it. Until next time, bye. Oh man,
what a drag. No sleeper seats, that's a mattress. No sleeper seats, that's a mattress.